Hello, everybody. I'm glad you're back on my channel. Today's discussion is all about monetizing your passion to earn money online. With so many chances on the internet, making money from your interests and skills has never been simpler. In this video, I'll discuss some of the most well-liked online income streams and how you may get started right away. The first is blogging. We'll start with blogging. Starting a blog could be the ideal option to monetize your skills if writing or sharing your views with the world is something you are passionate about. You might start by producing material on a certain subject and gaining readers through social media and SEO in order to monetize your blog. Once you've gained a following, you can earn money from your blog by selling ads, sponsored content, affiliate links, or even your own goods and services. The second one is freelancing. The next option is freelancing. Freelancing can be a terrific method to turn a specific ability into money if you have one, such as graphic design, writing, or coding. You can build a profile on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can bid on assignments that fit your skill set. Building your portfolio in this way can help you increase your income on the side or even convert it into a full-time business. Making digital products is number 3. Making digital items comes last. You can make money if you have a talent for generating things like music, art, or even digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. It's never been simpler to make and market digital goods to a global audience thanks to websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable. So, there you have it. 3 popular ways to make money online by turning your passion into profit. Whether you choose to start a blog, freelance, or create digital products, there are endless opportunities available on the internet. The key is to find something you're passionate about, and put in the time and effort to make it a success. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the many ways you can make money online, and I'll see you in the next one.